Hi, today's exercise is called the roll down. The roll down is a great exercise to ease stress and tension in the back. It's a really good mobility exercise. Now, before we start, if you suffer with a condition such as osteoporosis, then what I want you to do is do a revised version of this, which I'm going to show you first. If not, you can do the full version. So we start in a neutral stance, feet, knees and hips in line. The pelvis is in neutral, so you'll rock backwards, forwards, centre. Lengthen through the spine, bring the shoulders up, back and down. So I'm just going to turn to the side. So from here, we're then going to focus on taking a deep breath in, and as we breathe out, we start to bring the chin down towards the chest slowly. We then let the shoulders come forward, let the arms come forward, and we go through just the upper back, no further than bra strap line. And then you're slowly going to bring that back, open up across the chest, head upright. So this is the revised version if you have osteoporosis. So slowly through the neck, relax the arms, relax the shoulders, come down, no lower than bra strap, and then slowly back up. Now, if you don't have osteoporosis, we can take this a little bit further. So same position, chin to chest slowly, thinking about each vertebra in the neck. Then allow the arms come forward, let the shoulders round forward, come down through the thoracic area of the spine, the upper back. Relax the arms, knees are soft, slowly coming down to the mid-back, lower back, going as low as you feel comfortable. Make sure you draw the belly button in towards the spine 20% to slowly bring it back up. So you're restacking through the spine, one vertebra at a time. The shoulders come back and down, the head comes up last, nice and slow. So you go chin to chest, round the shoulders, let the arms relax. Think about a ragdoll effect with the arms. Slowly down, knees are soft. Come as low as you feel comfortable. And then slowly make sure the tummy is drawn in 20%. Come back up. Slow and controlled. So that's a roll down, and it's a really nice exercise to ease tension in the back. Same again, do as many as you feel is comfortable for you. Be mindful of your range of movement. Any disc issues, it's done very, very slow and controlled on purpose so that we are aware before we get to that pain point. So as soon as we get anywhere near that pain point, we slowly draw back out of it. Make sure to keep the tummy button drawn in 20%, protecting the back.